Stones for the new year. I love crystals, stones, rocks, whatever word that you want to use to call them. As you can see, I adore them. I have them everywhere. But the new year is a powerful time to reset your energy, to clear the slate, to wipe it clear, to open yourself to really new opportunities. And crystals and stones carry these supportive vibrations that can help us align with fresh beginnings, new cycles, and intentions that we want to manifest for the year. Clear quartz is an amazing crystal to help bring in clarity and amplification. Clear quartz, we use these in computers for programming. Imagine how powerful these crystals are when we start to use them and work with them. Amazonite is a beautiful crystal for new beginnings and balance. Labradorite brings in transformation and magic. Do you want change in your life for the next year? Do you want it to be different than it was this year? Then grab that labradorite and ask it to help you move through change. What about rainbow moonstone? It brings in new cycles and has that feminine wisdom that we can hold on to. Chrysocolla has renewal, self-expression, and empowerment. Clear calcite is a refreshing energy that brings in positive movement. So, which of these crystals are you going to use for the new year? Clear quartz, amazonite, labradorite, rainbow moonstone, chrysocolla, or clear calcite. You can also create crystal grids and infuse them with your intentions for the new year. So check out some of these crystals and pick up some of them that you love. If you're like me, I have crystals everywhere in my house. I could probably go through, I know I have every one of those somewhere in my home that I use all the time. So what crystals are you going to work with for this new year?